You may have noticed some spots in your lawn, either yellow spots, dark green spots, or a combination of yellow and green. These are caused by pets urinating on the lawn. The discoloration is really caused by the salts in the urine. And the dark green that you see is the result of the urea in the urine, which is actually a form of fertilizer. So how do you get rid of these spots? One of the easiest ways is to just get the hose and flush that area where the dog has just done his business, and it will dilute the urine. And another tip is to encourage your dog to drink more water. The more your dog drinks, the more dilute the urine will be. There are supplements out there to help with the concentration in the urine, but please check with your vet before changing the diet of your dog. And the last tip that we have is to train your dog to do his business in one particular area, and then you can take care of that area of the lawn. So if you're seeing these spots, just follow one or more of these tips, and then both you and your pet will be able to enjoy the yard.